time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face.
Damn, man. Shit. When I call her, she press ignore, and then I'm throwing my phone against the floor. And now I'm texting her, but she don't reply. I guess she don't like me, but I don't see why. When I call her, she don't pick up. That's when I want to slap her stupid ass. When I text her, she don't text back, and that's when I want to throw her in the trash. And my girl, she hates me. She never answer calls and never text me back. And my girl, she hate me. She never answer calls, never text me back, man.
Sepangalan niyo lang walang tingin pagkama.
Come on.
Kali malukot din. Walok palit yo, isama kau lalaki tao. Ang awasal po nito, siya fa malolo. Isa.
Yeah, that was G. It's Young K. Yeah. 5 status. 209. She never calling, man. Yeah. She never calling, man. Yeah. I'm blowing up a phone, man. I'm blowing up a phone. It's Young K, man. MG, man. It's Young K, man.
In the house,
man. We in the house, man. 209, man. What? Chorus, let's go. And my girl, she hate me. She never answer calls and never text me back. And my girl, she hate me. She never answer calls and never text me back. And my girl, she hates me. She never answer calls and never text me back. And my girl, she hates me. What a fashion. She never answer calls and never text me back, man. What's up, man? We in the house, man.
Young Jizzy.
Yep. It's your boy Young K, man.
We be back.
All day.
Volume 1.
5 status. We out, man.